And the Institute of Certified Public Accountants is holding a 3-day consultative forum in Mombasa County on matters post-COVID-19 recovery and the 2021-2022 national budget. Among the issues tabled on day one for the discussions include Kenya's continued borrowing, corruption, and the government's COVID-19 mitigation strategies.
Speaking during the seminar, National Assembly Majority Leader and Chairman of the ICPAK, Amos Kimunya, agreed that the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the world has had to change and embrace a new normal. As a result, both negatives and positives have been achieved, such as the reduction of cholera cases in the country, since now citizens have embraced a cleaner lifestyle than before. Kimunya also mentioned the mitigation Build Back Better strategies the government plans to set forth to recover the harsh pandemic effects.
Is to restore the economy and ensure it remains on a growth trajectory. The second is to mitigate against the adverse effects of the pandemic. The third goal is to protect the most vulnerable Kenyans from the pandemic and ensure the frontline workers are catered for. The fourth goal is to ensure that the spread of COVID-19 is controlled, minimized, and actually contained. And the fifth, to mount an effective defense against similar and opportunistic pandemics in future. And sixth, to fast-track reforms in healthcare, particularly on the universal healthcare, to ensure that all Kenyans have access to affordable healthcare. And lastly, to ensure that we build our self-reliance capacity, particularly in the manufacturing sector, to sustain ourselves in the case of a global lockdown.
ICPAK Chair Lady Rose Mwaura, however, underscored that the government's insatiable appetite to borrow is one of the reasons why Kenyans today suffer the perks of increased taxes. Mwaura also decried the wanton theft of public coffers.
Parliament is the one that authorizes certain things, that they authorize the budget, they authorize borrowing, and we really want to challenge Parliament to look at this and to do their job so that we as Kenyans, we don't feel that pinch of issues like taxes.
Kimunya, on the other hand, said the focus should not be on the increasing debt the country continues to incur, but rather how the funds are used.
Kenyans want roads. Kenyans want sports. Kenyans want airports. They want education, they want health, they want COVID vaccinations, yeah? But they don't want to pay tax, or they can't afford to pay tax because the economies are not doing as well. So what do you then do? Yeah? You have to get that money from somewhere. And the only choice available is through debt.
MP Kimunya also highlighted the importance of revamping the healthcare system as well as reduce socio-economic inequalities so as to realize true development and place Kenya in a competitive global market. Mariam Mwacharo, TV47, Mombasa County.
Elsewhere, NCBA